this one on the motherboard.
No, I put it for down. Such a for floor, you know,
Yeah, I'm placing. I want to arrange it on my motherboard. Okay. It's fitted under the mic switch, so we'll continue the process. Take our hot gun. Bluetooth speaker does not have a mic beside the charging port. There's an LED light directly under the charging port that I have to be careful that we should not hit it. So I'm trying to remove the charging port. Charging port is out. Try to fit the port where you can do better job.
Fried rice and chicken 500. Fried rice and chicken 500. You get the one for 500. You get plate for 1,000. This rice will be any kind of rice. Your rice.
Adjusting the board under the microphone so that we can get it clear. Okay. We use our in the board.
Wait,
Okay. We use our alcohol. We add some this. Use our soldering iron.
I'm your friend now.
To clean it. Prepare our charging port to install on the card. This is our charging port. Yeah. Prepare it. Install it on the board. Done so that we can all see the process. Installation.
Even big size No.
Solder it. Okay. You clean it. Okay. We solder it behind. Solder the behind part, the other LED. You see? Solder it. Let me place. Yeah, that is the behind part. Okay. We clean it. This one is okay. It's okay. We'll go to the last one, which is very technical. The one that I started to illustrate is the charging port of Samsung A40. We put it under the microscope. Place it under the microscope. We have covered the mic with a thermal tape, so it is protected. So we have to go ahead with the process. We use our hot gun. The charging port is out. Put our paste. Clean it. Clean the pot. This is the correct way to change the charging port carefully. We use our alcohol. Okay. Use our sausage iron. This is our charging port. We'll remove one. we'll prepare it for installation. It's ready for installation. Place it to the cart. Okay. You can see how it is fitted. Everything is perfect. What we need to do now is to solder it. Let's continue with the process. This is the correct way to change your charging system so that everything will be perfect. You will not have communication with your customers. We hold it to one position with our tweezer like that. And there. Okay, put that at the corners. These are the tips. These are the tips of the charging port. Apply LED there. That should be solid. Be very solid. Okay, this is the finishing process. After letting all the 4 legs, we have to verify that all the legs are connected. I will clean the charging port, which is the final process. We clean the charging port with alcohol. Okay. Everything is good. Everything is good now. Let me try it a bit. Everything is good. You can see all the LEDs, they are soldered very well on the motherboard. With this, you will not have any problem with the charging port. We have succeeded to change the charging port for the 3 devices. That's why I advise that the main thing for technician work is having your tools. When you have your tools and you do your work good, you don't have much problem with customers. Although some customers are very troublesome. So in the next video, I will try to see how we can do repairs, light repairs on some phones having motherboard problem. That is, I mean, hardware. So thank you people for watching. You people to like and subscribe so that each time I put any video, you will be the first to watch it. And when you people like and subscribe, it will motivate me to do more videos. It's their likes that motivate me to do more videos. And anybody who have any question can message me and I will reply every question that I see. I will give reply to every question. Thanks for watching.